Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present my article, Observability Practices with Prometheus and Grafana, a practical implementation in Node.js. In modern systems, observability is a key feature that helps them understand how their apps work, unlike basic monitoring, which answers simple questions. Observability helps engineers find answers to new problems and check different parts of the system. This article shows how to use Prometheus and Grafana to monitor a Node.js API. We will give you a step-by-step guide to add monitoring to your app, show metrics, and display them with Grafana dashboards. Why observability matters? As systems get more complex, basic monitoring is not enough. Observability gives you the ability to understand why a problem happens, not just that it happens. Support for finding bugs in live systems, and better system reliability and through useful insights. The main parts of observability are metrics and logs and traces. In this guide, we will focus on metrics. We use Prometheus to collect metrics and Grafana to show them. Tools and frameworks, Prometheus and Grafana and Node.js with the Prom client package and Prometheus and Grafana. Implementing the Node.js API. First, create a simple Node.js API app with an endpoint that works with Prometheus, install dependencies, and server.js. And this server.js code and collect default metrics and custom metrics and, and link request total and endpoint and hello observability and metrics endpoint for Prometheus. Step 2, setting up Prometheus. This scrape interval and scrape configs and run Prometheus with Docker. In this case, running Prometheus and Grafana with Docker. And step 3, using Grafana for visualization and Docker run Grafana. And then go to Grafana and Prometheus and data source, create dashboard using metrics and URL request total to show request counts. In this case, this link and wrote a hello. In this case, hello observability. In this case, metrics. And adding more observability for production, while this tutorial uses a simple request counter, real production system usually include business metrics and performance metrics and context labels and combine traces and logs for complete visibility. And production setups also usually have distributed tracing tools, centralized log collection, and automate the alert rules. And by combining the signals, engineering teams can find problems early, investigate issues quickly, and keep high service levels. In conclusion, observability is now essential in modern cloud and distributed systems. By adding simple monitoring with Prometheus and Grafana, engineers can get important visibility into system performance and behavior. And this foundation can be expand to include distributed tracing and logging, creating and complete observability strategy that supports reliable, resilient, and scalable systems. And in this case, this is our simple application, respond hello observability. And every time someone visits, it increments in internal counter with metrics route. And here we see the metrics in Prometheus format. The important line is request total. Request total and route hello. This route hello observability. Prometheus automatically collects metrics from our application every 15 seconds. We can make queries and see real-time data. And Grafana dashboard. Grafana takes data from Prometheus and converts it into beautiful charts. This green line shows how visits to our application and increasing in real time. This case, root queries increment. Prometheus and targets page. And targets page, and this page shows that Prometheus is currently connected to our application. The green app status means everything is working properly. In this case, change app run queries, green line. Thanks. That's all.